Let me show you what fits inside my new Songmont bag. Actually, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa style na ito, but hindi rin ito naka-display. Nakita ko lang nung nandun kami sa Songmont and wala kasi yung gusto kong style. Nakita ko na hawak-hawak to ng isang babae. Tinanong ko sa SA. Sabi ko, what style is that? Di pala naka-display. Natuwa ako because first of all, it's tiny. And naisip ko na parang perfect siyang airport bag. Tapos, pwede siyang crossbody. And pwede din siyang shoulder bag. So torn if I was gonna get the black one or yung beige cream. Pero I ended up just keeping the black one. Ito yung gamit-gamit ko kanina na nakaswing sa akin sa airport para easy access. Tapos meron ako ng shoulder bag na nandun lahat. And then kapag tapos na sa mga security and everything, shoot ko lang to sa loob ng shoulder bag ko. So let me show you what I put inside. My passport and my boarding pass. I have two cell phones, iPhone and the Huawei. And fits perfectly. iPhone 17 Pro and Huawei 17T. So even Pro Max ata, feeling ko kasha kasi maluwag pa siya. And then my card holder from Season. Tapos open air buds. A pen. Lip products, and candies. Ayan. Kanina, pati itong vlogging camera ko, dito nakalagay. Para madali ko silang ma-access, even if ang toxic sa airport. Ayan, ganyan. Diba? Fits perfectly. There you go. This is how it looks like after I've also put the vlogging camera. Diba? Ang gaan-gaan pa. I love it. It's so cute. And it's crossbody. Hindi siya nakaka-bother. Hindi siya na kinoconsider na another bag. Para lang siyang wallet na sinlink mo para nandyan lang easy access. And then yung personal bag ko. And then my carry-on. So there, this is my new bag from Songmont. I'm so happy.